welcome back to another episode of Hiking with Jeff and Sarah. We're back out here on Newlin Creek, and we are going to do an overnight camping trip. Try out some gear, see how we do. It's not supposed to get terribly cold tonight. It's supposed to get down to about 32 or so. There's a pretty awesome spot up by the old historic mill that we're hiking up to that I thought would be pretty sweet to camp at. So we're going to try to get up there and get all set up and venture around a little bit. So this is Newlin Creek trailhead, and there's a historic old sawmill at the top here, and it's pretty sweet. If you look at some of my previous videos, you'll see it in there. So yeah, it's about 11 o'clock, kind of taking our time today. Had to run around town looking for a dog leash for our pup. And yeah, what is this, the 10th day of quarantine? Hope you all are staying safe. Careful out there. So we're out here doing what we do best, trying to adventure and live life. So I hope you do the same. Anyways, my lovely lady, Miss Sarah right here. How you feeling, baby?
I'm ready, let's go.
Let's do this. Check in once we get up a little bit further. So we're definitely really excited about this one. Excited to be back out here. Yeah. Oh my God, what the hell? Oh boy, come on, buddy. Plus on this trail, he's got water all the way. There's like 18 crossings.
That's a big drop off.
Enjoying yourself, honey? So after a beautiful journey, we have finally made it to the Herrick Sawmill. Took our sweet time coming up here because we have done this hike before and we have all the time in the world right now, being in quarantine. This is how we're practicing our social isolation here. Careful over there. It's back in the 1860s. They would use a sawmill here, right next to the creek, that would power this big old giant turbine inside this deal here. Come up here and cut down trees and bring it on over here to cut it all up and then cart it away with horses and then take it up to the mining camps. Pretty crazy. It's awesome to see this. I couldn't imagine back in the 1800s bringing all this stuff up here, let alone cutting a road to get up here to bring all this stuff.
She just got herself some. She's stuck.
Lexi, there. tie the knot. Oh wow. Day 2 of exploring, still on the Newlin Creek trail. Pretty epic, come up to this awesome spot overlooking the valley here. What do you think, Lexi? Got back to camp, got it all packed up, getting ready to cruise down the mountain. And we just got back from adventuring all the way up to there and then beyond that.